Windows 11 just got a huge visual upgrade. And no, this isn't a leak or a rumor. Microsoft has officially dropped a brand new themes experience with hundreds of fresh, modern, high quality themes directly in the Microsoft Store. If you love customizing your desktop, or you're just bored of the same wallpaper, this update is a game changer. Let me show you what's new. So, what's the big deal? Microsoft has introduced a dedicated themes hub inside the Microsoft Store. Instead of digging through settings or downloading random theme packs from the web, everything is now in one clean, organized place. Look at the left sidebar. You'll now see a section labeled Themes with a paintbrush icon. Quick note: if you don't see the Themes section in your Microsoft Store sidebar, don't panic. There are a few reasons why it might be missing. The new Themes hub is rolling out gradually, or your Microsoft Store isn't updated yet. You might also be using an older Windows 11 build. This feature requires one of the newer 2025 builds of Windows 11. So, update your system. Welcome to the new library. We're talking of one-click theme installs, high-resolution wallpapers, curated categories, game-themed packs, scenic collections, minimalist aesthetics, and over 35 brand new themes added this month, with more rolling out. What I really like is the live preview. Before you install anything, you can see every wallpaper included in the pack, along with the accent colors Windows will apply. All you do is hit install, and boom! Windows automatically switches your wallpaper, adjusts your color accents, and updates your theme instantly. That's it. No manual settings, no hunting for files, super clean. For years, themes were buried inside Windows settings, and most people didn't even know where to find them. With this update, Microsoft finally treats themes like real downloadable content, the same way Android and Mac OS do. This means more frequent theme updates. So yeah, this is honestly one of the coolest quality of life updates Windows 11 has received in a long time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.